Thank you.
This is my girlfriend ZuZu. I'm pretty sure that she thinks biting is a nice thing, and it's okay. This is like the beginning of the adventure right here. Richard is about to bring the adventure. Or that direction. Richard was the man delivering my Ecoflow Delta 2 power station. Enabled me to be literally off the grid. In many ways, yeah, the start of this adventure was being completely self-reliant. After I got this battery and this solar panel, I can go anywhere and don't really need any electricity or any output besides this. And it turned out that I end up charging it in the house a whole lot, but the ability is there, and that's a huge security blanket. I love my little ZuZu. She's always helping with projects. Sometimes she'll even get up on top of the ladder and I won't know. Realize as I'm climbing it that she's like there to help. So it's pretty dang heavy, but the amount of power that it turns out, it's totally worth it. This is one of my first times filming myself for the whole project, so you can tell I don't quite know if I'm performing or just being. Yeah, I work with a knife all the time, and I even fucked up using my knife. I was too nervous with you watching me. ZuZu project managing. They do have great brand ownership, or what am I trying to say? I like their intellectual property. It's a beautiful product. All the Ecoflow stuff is very well designed. It's beautifully designed. All different kinds of cables that you might need, different ways to plug it into different things. They gave me cables for solar, shore power, and to dock right into my truck while I'm driving. Project's not done until you clean up. In this case, off-camera imaginary dumpster. Alright, so spent all this time not saying a dang word to you. Grady, what'd you cook up? And all this time imagining what the audience would want to hear you say. So, here it is. Power supply in my truck. Good job, buddy. We'll work on that. Literally the best. Literally my favorite. The most beautiful ever. And orange cat was also there. Very orange, very cat. Yeah, so this is an awesome product. I hadn't even played with it, of course. You're literally seeing me open it up. But I've used it for months now, and it's incredible. It's exactly how they market it. Easy to charge, easy to move around. Completely, the utility is everything. Solar panel is pretty light, mobile. Decently long. Like, I've never had a problem with my cables not being long enough. You think they're a little short, but it's actually pretty great. I can get from the back of my truck to the ground really easily. There's the inputs there and the Edison outputs. And yeah, a lot of the time I'm just charging it with short power. Takes about 2.5 hours to get a full charge. Really convenient. And their app is super convenient. Shows you all kinds of stats. You can figure out your outputs. You can control your inputs and outputs from there. And rename everything. So I can say what space I'm in. I've named it the land yacht, so the Ecoflow knows where it is when it shows up into that Wi-Fi range. Yeah, I named it after my favorite Star Wars character, R2.